is chemical engineer, but she never practiced her profession since she wants to personally handle yung kanyang mga anak, no? So, when she got old, no, I mean, she got, she got retired. She didn't have the pension, no, like 81 employee. So when this was introduced to her, no, being a businesswoman, entrepreneur, no, it's just a sideline. All she see here is the opportunity, no, and of course, when she saw the opportunity, the first person she wants to invite is my wife, no. So she keeps on pestering my wife to join the Riway because she knows that, coming from a non-medical profession, lalo na mga nanay, akala nila madali lang yung i-reseta mo lang yan, no? Parang ganun yung reason niya. But sad to say, yung wife ko kasi, doctors do not usually recommend things that they do not understand, no? And on the side of the supplements, bihira sa mga doktor ang nagre-recommend ng supplements, no? Because supplementation is not part of the training. In fact, nakikita natin, most of the problems we have today are attributed to our diet, no? But in medicine, no? Isang semester lang ang nutrition. Di ba? So what my wife did for her mother to stop pestering here, no? She agreed to buy one set, and she named it after me, no? So at that time, pauwi pa lang ako, may account ako ng diamond set. Sabi ko, ito at ang business namin, something to do with jewelries, kasi yung diamond, no? And then, nung dumating na ako, sabi, this is oral stem cell. And sad part is, I'm not also a believer of supplement, no? So, 6 months bago namin tinry yung product, no? Around 2018 of December. That's the first time we took the product because initially we planned to sell it, no? Kaso we do not know what this product is all about. And it's very difficult to sell something expensive and yet you have no known effect or ano. Kasi when you sell something, you put your name on the product, di ba? So we have no choice but to take the product. But thanks be to God, no? After taking the product, I felt lighter. Yung tinnitus ko na matagal na, nagre-ring-ting ako, no? Kaya minsan, naka-admit na sa Middle East, mapapahilo ka, no? Yung pala, yung tenga mo lang nagre-ring kasi yung constant exposure sa mga loud noises, no? Yan. Tapos, meron akong PTSD, meron akong tuhod na hindi natutupin, meron akong chronic back pain. All in 2 weeks, the first month, dahan-dahan siyang nare-resolve. So sabi ko, napakaganda pa ng product na ito. So yung wife ko naman, I encourage her to take also because she's also suffering from low back pain, sinusitis, asthma, no, rhinitis. So, to cut the story short, we like the product, no? The problem is, number 1, it's expensive. Number 2, we're sharing a 6 months therapy, so kami dalawa, 3 months lang. So we have to find a way to complete our therapy. Sabi ko, mahal naman masyado kung supplement natin. Then our sponsor, Mrs. Lu Hambaro, have recommended. Sabi niya, share it to other people. Your relatives, your friends who might benefit from this, you will earn the points, and then these points can be used to purchase your next therapy. So that's what I did. I went to Mindanao because I'm from Iligan City. No? Meron mo taga Mindanao dito? Oh, wow. Which part of Mindanao, sir? Ay, so, malapit na magkapit-bahay. Medyo malayo. Oo. So I went to my hometown. I was able to convince a politician na mayroong diabetic foot. No? Pag nagchinela siya, nagkaskas ng skates at rubber, magbiblister. Pagtutok noon, tubig na lang ng tubig, linis na lang linis, hindi na natutuyo. No? At when I saw him, yung paa ng isa, naka-bandage na, yung isa, to follow. So, in these times kasi, parang desperado ka na kasi siyempre, you have done all the things that the doctor recommended you. In fact, yung tagalinis ng paa niya, doktor, medical doctor, binibisita siya almost every other day to clean the wound, no? So when he tried the product, in just 2 weeks, natuyo po yung sugat niya, nakapagsapatos siya, nag-inom siya ng kasal. So doon ako medyo nagkaroon ng confidence sa product, no? And then I shared it to my cousin na mayroong GERD, no? Heartburn, no? Acid reflux.
Hirap na.
Ano siya, ang dami na yung collection of doctors. Punta dito, hindi ba rin, punta naman sa kabila. So, parang yung gamutan niya, ang dami na rin, no? So, when she tried for cure, no, doon lang siya na-relieve, no? So, of course, this product hindi mo naman makikita ko sa television, no? Sa social media, minsan meron, bagsak presyo. And then, word of mouth, no? They recommend it to someone, then, and then, of course, doon na kami nag-start. So, we get back the, one thing I have realized here is that a good product comes with a good, what? Yes, business opportunity. Yeah. So, at this time, we try to collaborate with the company. And then we look into the company, we heard a lot of stories, no? So, with that, we are now here, no? Yeah. So today, I am not your sharer, actually, I'm just your MC, no? So, our first speaker is